Sony, back in another episode, and in today's video, I'm going to be making Wolverine's claws out of paper. Let's do this. Maximum efforts. Yeah!
Alright guys, so first off you're gonna take a piece of paper. Now you're gonna fold it in half vertically like this. Open it up and then fold it again, and do the same for the other side as well. Now fold it one more time and do the same for the other side again. Okay, now you're gonna fold the top into a triangle, into a small one. Okay, you'll see it just now. Okay, now we're gonna cut off those triangle ends. Okay, now you should be able to see it once I've cut off this last bit. There we go. Okay, cut it like that. Okay, now you're gonna fold it into a triangle again, like that. Okay, now you're gonna fold the back end into small triangles. Don't fold it all the way to the middle, just fold it into a small piece, but not all the way to the middle like before. Okay, now you're gonna fold the whole thing in half so that it will look like one of the claws. And that's it, you're almost done with one of the claws. You just gotta do a couple more things and then it's done. Now you just gotta stick it all together so it won't fall apart. Yeah, and you can use a glue stick, a glue gun, or tape to stick it down if you want to. Yeah, I just used a glue gun because I didn't have any glue sticks by the time I was making this video. And yeah, I didn't want my claws to fall apart. Yeah, you can still use a glue stick if you want to. I mean, okay. So yeah, you're just gonna stick it down like that. Okay, and while the glue is drying, in the meantime, I'm gonna try to fold this piece of paper and roll it into a thin roll of paper. Okay. Just like this. Okay, this might take a couple tries, but you'll get it eventually. Just try to keep it as thin as possible. And then you're gonna put glue on one end, then wrap it around like so. Okay, gotta get this all over. And there we go. Okay, that should be it. Now, you're gonna put that roll inside the claw. Okay, just gotta make sure this is stuck on right. There. Okay, now you're gonna stick this right inside the claw like so. Just push it all the way to the tip, like so. And yeah, now that that's in, you can finally apply glue to the outside parts and stick it all together now. Oh, and don't cut off the exposed part of the rolled paper that's sticking out. Don't cut it off, you'll need it later. There, now that the claw is stuck together, you can finally go ahead and start working on that exposed part of the rolled paper. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna flatten any part that's still exposed and that's sticking out, and you're gonna bend the end of it towards the claw. Okay, make a little curve like that. Now you're gonna put glue at the bottom of it, like so. Now you're gonna stick it on just like that. And there you have it. That's one claw done. Now you'll just need 2 more of them to complete the set. Just repeat the same process that we've done before in the last couple of minutes to complete the other 2 claws. Okay, now that they're done, you just gotta bunch them all together. Okay, so to bunch them all together, you'll need to roll up a small piece of paper, like that's about the same size I'm using right now. And yeah, to roll it up, you might need to grab a tube from the inside of a pen to help you roll it perfectly. You can grab the tube of a pen from the inside of it when it's dry. So you can just get it out there, then you can use it to roll this up. Again, this might take a couple tries, so don't panic. Just try until you get it right, until it looks as thin as possible. Okay, come on, I've almost got it. Yeah, there. It's done. Now you can take that tube out, and yeah, now you just gotta put glue on one part that's not rolled up so that it can hold together. Okay, just put enough glue, and there we go. There, now it's rolled up. Now here's the last step to completing one set of claws, and it's really simple. So just use the hooks at the end of each claw and put them inside this rolled paper that we just made. There, now you can have a better grip and hold it better. Now you just need one more set of claws, and there, now you're all set. Now you can have Wolverine claws on both hands now. So yeah, to make the second set, just repeat everything we just did to making each claw and then bunching them together.
Life is a mystery. Everyone must stand alone. I hear you call my name, and it feels like home.
And that's how you make Wolverine claws with paper. Just like that. Now, wait, come on. How do these work?
This is awesome. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Smash that like button, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow for more epic videos like this one. Peace.